Good morning, my dear students. So today we'll start the English class with comparison of adjectives and uses of some adjectives, right? As we have already done the kinds of adjectives, and I hope the kinds are clear to you. So in comparison of adjectives, I hope everyone knows that there are 3 degrees of comparison. Is there anyone in the class who does not know it? सबको पता है how many degrees of comparison are there?
Yes, ma'am.
How many degrees?
3 degrees.
Three. And what are those degrees?
Positive, comparative, and
Positive,
superlative.
comparative, superlative.
Yes. Yes, right answer. Okay,
Positive,
Khushpreet.
comparative, and
Khushpreet.
superlative.
Khushpreet, just tell me where is comparative, positive degree used?
Ma'am, positive degree is used for simple words.
Simple words, no. What is simple words, bete?
Ma'am, like big.
The quality
Bete,
of the person.
someone is with the name of Ishpreet Green. Who is Ishpreet? Is there any Ishpreet in our 7th standard?
No, ma'am.
मैम ग्रीन में नहीं है.
So shall I remove that student? किसी का भाई बहन हो तो बेटे अभी बोल दो, otherwise you will be removed from the session. चलिए, anyways, yes बेटे, where do we use positive degree? Anyone else?
When there is no the quality of a
There
person.
is no comparison.
Yes, when there is no comparison. Right answer, बच्चे, right answer. And where do we use comparative degree? Hardik Batra.
When there is only one comparison.
बेटे, there is only one comparison नहीं. When there is comparison between only 2 objects. One comparison ही होता है, सब में one comparison ही होता है, 3-4 comparisons नहीं होते हैं. When there is a comparison between only 2 persons, only 2 things, only 2 objects. Okay? Taranpreet, where do we use superlative degree? Taranpreet? Beta, you are raising hand. Please unmute yourself and answer me.
Ma'am, we use superlative degree when we are talking about more than 2 things.
Yes, when there is comparison between more than 2 things. Not we are talking, but when there is comparison between more than 2 objects, right? So let's see, an adjective comes in 3 degrees. First of all, it is positive degree. It denotes the quality of a person, things, or group. Means we are not making any comparison. We are just telling the quality of the thing. For example, he is a good boy. Do you think I have compared that boy with anyone else?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so this is positive degree. But if I say about comparative degree, it is used when 2 things or sets of things are compared. For example, he is better than you. मतलब पहले मैंने सिर्फ उस बॉय की बात की थी, तो ही इज गुड बॉय. फिर मैंने कहा कि वो तुमसे अच्छा है. So good, better, best. So there are 3 degrees: good, better, best. So better is comparative degree because I am comparing him to you. मैं उसका कंपैरिजन आपसे कर रही हूँ, तो 2 persons के बीच में कंपैरिजन है. So I'll use second degree. Now the last one is superlative degree. It is used to choose one out of a group or many. Out of a group. Group तभी बनता है when there are more than 2 objects or more than 2 persons or more than 2 things. So only then it is formed a group. So when we are to choose only one thing out of group, so then we use superlative degree. Now see example, he is the best student of my class. So what do you understand from this example? Last example, yes, Krisha. Krisha, bolo bete.
Ma'am, there is a comparison in all the students.
Yes,
in
there is
the
comparison
class.
between all the students, means group of whole students, that is class. तो वो सबसे अच्छा है, he is the best. So in this way we compare the adjectives. Now a few examples of degrees of adjectives. See, When it is a y, जब y होता है तो y को कट करके हम उसका बनाते हैं IER and IEST. So it is dried, drier, driest. And sad, when the second last word is a vowel, so the last word gets doubled. So sad, sadder, saddest. But some are irregular degrees. Can you tell me what is irregular degree? Vamika?
जिसके साथ मोर या मोस्ट लगता हो,
No.
जिसके साथ मोर और मोस्ट लगता हो, और जिसके साथ जैसे बैड है उसका
हाँ।
वो बनेगा मैम,
हाँ
उसका
जी।
वो बैडर बैडेस्ट नहीं बनेगा।
Yes, right answer means कि जो अपने root words के साथ नहीं बनते हैं, we cannot add ER or IER like this, IEST, EST, we cannot add those words. Well, it means they are different from their root words, like bad, worse, worst, good, better, best, little, less, least, much, more, most. So these are irregular degrees, and some degrees are formed by adding more and most. For example, careful, more careful, most careful, difficult, more difficult, and most difficult. I hope this thing is clear to everyone. Is it, बेटे? बेटे आपका रिस्पॉन्स मुझे बहुत जरूरी है, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट गेट टू नो. आपको
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
यस भी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं. यू कैन सिंपली शो मी थम्स अप. You can simply show me thumbs up if anything is clear to you, and if anything is not clear to you, kindly raise your hand and ask your doubt. We are not in a hurry. Now some important points. ये हमने पहले भी किया था. ये हमने
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम,
ना उस दिन कर लिया था. So this slide was done, है ना? Superior, inferior, senior, junior, prior, they are followed by 2 instead of than. So let's recapitulate it. Double comparative is not used, like we cannot use more, cleverer, because the degree is clever, cleverer, cleverest. So cleverer is enough. We cannot add more with it. And when one thing is compared with the every other of the same kind, use any other after positive or comparative degree of adjective. Like I gave you example, there are many kinds of metals. Bronze है, copper है, diamond है, gold है, silver है. So gold is more precious than any other metal. So any other का हम use करेंगे. Okay. So now coming on to the next slide. When comparison is made by the means of superlative degree, the thing or class of things should be included in the comparison. Like he is wisest of all the other men. All the other हम use नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि हमें पता है we are comparing same kinds of things, same class of things. ठीक है? So the right answer is he is wisest of all the men. वो सब आदमियों में से सबसे ज्यादा वाइज है. अदर हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज अ रॉन्ग नोटेशन. क्लियर है? दिस एंड दैट आर फॉलोड बाय सिंगुलर नाउन. दीज एंड दोज आर फॉलोड बाय प्लूरल नाउन. ये सबको पता है कि नहीं पता बेटे? This and that are singular, so these will be followed by singular noun. These and those are plural, so these will be followed by plural noun. So this will be clearer to you with the help of example. Let's see the example. I don't like these kind of people. Here we are using kind. Kinds नहीं use कर रहे हैं, हम एक ही kind की बात कर रहे हैं. So this is a singular noun. So singular के साथ either we can use this or we can use that. So the right answer is I don't like this kind of people. हम जब भी बोलते हैं when we are in the terms of conversation or we are speaking something, we always use wrong notation. We always say I don't like these kind of people. So that is a wrong thing. The right answer is I don't like this kind of people. I don't like this kind of people. Although people is plural, but here we are just looking towards this kind. This is not kinds. Okay, so there are many kinds. अगर kinds use करेंगे तो many use करेंगे. Otherwise kind use कर रहे हैं तो we'll use this or that. Okay. Now, no comparative degree is used with preferable and it is followed by to. जहां हम preferable की बात करते हैं बेटे, sometimes this type of questions are there in your prepositions also. Preposition भी आपको जब लगानी होती है, so if sentences their health is more preferable dash wealth, तो you people use than, so that is wrong. Preferable के बाद we always use to, it is followed by to. Tarandeep, बेटे mute yourself. Rajay, right बेटे, so health is more preferable to wealth. हाँ, एक और चीज भी है यहाँ पर, देन तो हमने नहीं यूज करना, उसके साथ हमने मोर भी नहीं यूज करना. No comparative degree is used with preferable. We cannot use more preferable. Preferable is कि उससे ज्यादा हम उसको prefer कर रहे हैं. That is itself is clear in its name only. So the right answer is health is preferable to wealth. More preferable नहीं use करना. Am I clear? So the correct use of some adjectives. So bete we are confused between some adjectives. We don't know what is the use of further and farther, elder and older, near and next, later and latter, latest and last. So now we'll try to understand the differences between all these adjectives, and I hope you will pay full attention in your class. So the first is further versus farther. Can anyone tell me what is further? Vamika, what is further bete? Samreet, what is further?
मैम और कुछ.
उसके आगे, है ना? कुछ हमारे पास है, उससे आगे की हमें कोई चीज चाहिए. For example, if I talk about some information, I have some information, but I need some further information. So वो उसके आगे. And what is farther? Krishav?
मैम फादर आगे की आगे करने देते हैं, फादर रस्ते में आगे जाना, आगे.
Farther बेटे दूर होना, कोई चीज कोई दूरी पर है, that is farther. So I hope the difference is already clear to you. You yourself have told me the meaning. So further is comparative of for, farther is comparative of far. Far, farther, farthest, for, further, furthest. ऐसे हम यूज करते हैं. So it denotes something additional or something more in advance. Like we must get further information. As I already gave you the example, he made no further remarks. कि उसने जो remarks दिए उसके आगे उसने कोई remarks नहीं दिए. Something additional or in advance. But if I talk about farther, it denotes a greatest distance between 2 points. Delhi is farther from Amritsar than Ludhiana is. दिल्ली जो है वो अमृतसर से ज्यादा दूर है बजाय लुधियाना से. लुधियाना से कम दूर है, अमृतसर से ज्यादा दूर. The old man can walk no farther means कि जो बूढ़ा आदमी है वो इससे ज्यादा दूर नहीं चल सकता. Clear है? This difference is clear to everyone. Just show me thumbs up if it is clear, or you can say yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was very easy to know the difference further and farther. Now older and elder. बेटे older and elder, although they denote the same thing, हम बड़े की ही बात करते हैं, but in elder and eldest we are talking about relations only. उसमें हम relations की बात करते हैं. Older and oldest both are used for persons and things. वो persons के लिए भी use होंगे और things के लिए भी use होंगे. Elder, eldest things के लिए नहीं use हो सकते. And when we are talking in terms of persons, older and oldest in terms of persons, that means we are talking about their age. We are not talking about relation, but we are talking about their age. These words denote the age. They denote position of one member of family with reference to another or others of the same family. Means मेरा बड़ा भाई, मेरा बूढ़ा भाई नहीं. देखो दोनों में difference है. Older means बूढ़ा, elder means बड़ा. Older means बूढ़ा, elder means बड़ा. मेरा बड़ा भाई. So you will always use my elder brother. Do you say my older brother? Does any one of you use this word? Older brother?
Ma'am, no.
No.
Ma'am.
So that is wrong. ओल्डर हम बूढ़े के लिए यूज करते हैं, एल्डर हम बड़े के लिए यूज करते हैं. ओल्डर इज फॉलोड बाय देन, बट एल्डर इज फॉलोड बाय टू. बेटे ये डिफरेंसेस मैंने आपको, आई होप आई हैव made these differences very much clear in your 5th standard also. 5th standard में मैंने आपको बहुत ही अच्छे से ये चीजें समझाई थी. Now see example. Our house is older than yours. Elder हम यहाँ यूज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये एक थिंग है. We use elder only for persons. तो अगर हम घर की बात कर रहे हैं तो मेरा घर तुमसे ज्यादा पुराना है. Older means पुराना या बूढ़ा. Pankaj is older than Neeraj. So here we are not talking about relation. हम कह रहे हैं कि जो पंकज की एज है वो नीरज से ज्यादा बड़ी है. Means we are talking about their age. पंकज ज्यादा बड़ा है नीरज से. Here see the example. My brother is elder to me. मेरा भाई मुझसे बड़ा है. She is the eldest daughter of my elder sister. वो मेरे बड़े बहन की सबसे बड़ी बेटी है. Eldest means सबसे. Suppose my sister has 3 daughters, so she is the eldest daughter of my sister. तो वो सबसे बड़ी बेटी है. बेटे is this difference clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhruv, do you have any doubt, bete?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, next proceed further. Near versus next. Near denotes distance or space. Next denotes position or order. See the examples. We took the thief to the nearest police station. तब हम next police station नहीं कहेंगे. Next means अगला. Nearest means सबसे पास. Next means अगला. Nearest means सबसे पास. तो जो हमारे पास police station है हम चोर को पकड़कर वहीं लेके जाएंगे, है ना? So we took the thief to the nearest police station. Mohan lives in the next house. Next means अगला. Order जो है मेरा घर, उससे अगला घर, उससे अगला घर. So it denotes position or order. And near denotes distance. ये distance show करता है कि nearer क्या कौन सी चीज है और nearest कौन सी चीज है. Is this difference clear to you? Otherwise भी बेटे हमें हिंदी में भी meaning पता चल जाए तो I hope it is clear to us. Near means नजदीक, next means अगला, है ना? चलिए नेक्स्ट. लेटर लेटेस्ट, लेटर लास्ट. लेटर और लेटर में मैंने आपको डिफरेंस बहुत बार बताया है. व्हेन वी डिड दैट, क्या किया था हमने, वो कौन से चैप्टर में मैंने आपको ये डिफरेंसेस बताए हैं बेटा लेटर एंड लेटर के?
Ma'am, determiners.
रिलेशन ऑफ सब्जेक्ट विद वर्ब. उसमें मैंने आपको बताया था कि व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ टू थिंग्स, जब हम पिछले वाले की बात करते हैं, जब मैंने आपको कहा था कि हम लेटर सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं या फॉर्मर सब्जेक्ट देखते हैं. सो व्हेन देयर आर टू सब्जेक्ट्स इन द सेंटेंस, द फॉर्मर इज पहले वाला सब्जेक्ट एंड द लेटर इज बाद वाला सब्जेक्ट. जब दो चीजों की बात हो रही है तो पहले वाला फॉर्मर और बाद वाला लेटर. और लेटर होता है किसी से लेट आना और लेटेस्ट होता है बिल्कुल ही नए ट्रेंड का, कि दिस इज द लेटेस्ट पीस ऑफ आर्ट. ये बिल्कुल नए ट्रेंड का पीस ऑफ आर्ट है. सो दैट इज द मेन डिफरेंस. These words denote time. I reached the school later than Nitish. मैं नितिश से लेट स्कूल पहुंचा. These words denote position. Ram and Shyam are brothers. The latter is my friend. Someone is talking, bete. Please mute yourself. Amandi, Dhriti. Anji, bete. Let me share my screen again. Just wait. Anji, bete, is this difference clear to you? Later, latest and letter last. जब हमने सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट किया था तब मैंने आपको ये चीजें समझाई थी. लेटर और लेटर में डिफरेंस ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू दैट टाइम. इज दिस डिफरेंस क्लियर टू यू बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
नहीं समझ आई लेटर और लास्ट.
जी
मैम लेटर और लास्ट के एग्जांपल में लिखा है आपने राम एंड श्याम आर ब्रदर. The letter is my friend.
Letter is my
उसका क्या
friend.
मतलब?
हाँ
मैम उसका क्या मतलब? मैम the letter is my friend.
बेटे राम और श्याम हम दो पर्सन्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो राम फॉर्मर है, श्याम लेटर है, बाद वाला सब्जेक्ट। मैंने पहले ही आपको कहा व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ टू सब्जेक्ट्स, टू पर्सन्स की बात कर रहे हैं, एक में राम की बात कर रही हूँ, एक में श्याम की बात कर रही हूँ, बोथ आर ब्रदर्स, बट हु इज माय फ्रेंड? द लेटर वन इज माय फ्रेंड। लेटर मींस जिसकी मैं बाद में बात कर रही हूँ, श्याम। श्याम इज माय फ्रेंड। इज इट क्लियर?
Okay, ma'am.
So bete these were the differences between and uses of some adjectives. So adjectives are the sugar of literature and adverbs the salt. और दोनों के बिना हमारी जिंदगी, our life is incomplete. Both are necessary part of our life. So adjectives and adverbs, right? So I hope this topic is clear to you. Yes, my dear students. So the next topic that we are going to do is determiners, and I hope you are very much aware with this topic. What is determiner? We have done it in detail in our last standard also. Can anyone tell me what is determiner? Otherwise, definition is there in front of you. Definition के साथ साथ आपने मेरे को समझाना है what is determiner. Yes, Vanshika Mishra.
Determiners are also also tell something about the nouns.
Like adjectives, bete like adjectives, determiners also qualify the nouns that follow. उनके बाद में जो नाउन आता है उसको जरूर वो क्वालिफाई करते हैं और उसको लिमिट करते हैं, उसको डिटर्मिन करते हैं. they determine a noun, they limit a noun and they qualify a noun. Okay, so determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. So इसमें adjectives के साथ साथ और चीजें भी आएंगी, like articles are also a part of determiner, because we say he is a boy. So boy is a noun and a is a determiner, right? I went to the that is the most handsome boy. He is the most handsome boy. तो most handsome जो है that is adjective, that is telling us the quality of the boy. But the word the, that is determining the noun, that is determining the boy. So the is determiner and most handsome is adjective. So that is the main difference between both the terms. जो adjectives हैं they tell the quality of the noun. अगर मैं बेटे like adjectives, determiners also qualify the noun. बट अगर मैं सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोलूं तो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी के अलावा जितने भी एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर, डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, those all are determiners also. And other than adjectives, our articles are also determiners. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके सिर्फ एक
Yes, ma'am.
एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी जो है वो डिटर्मिनर नहीं होता. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको एग्जांपल दी, ही इज द मोस्ट हैंडसम बॉय. सो द इज क्वालिफाइंग द नाउन, इट इज लिमिटिंग द नाउन, इट इज डिटर्मिनिंग द नाउन. बट इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द मोस्ट हैंडसम, तो जो मोस्ट हैंडसम है दैट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. वो क्वालिटी बता रहा है, दैट इज नॉट अ डिटर्मिनर. सो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी के अलावा जितने भी हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, दोज ऑल आर डिटर्मिनर्स एंड आर्टिकल्स आर आल्सो डिटर्मिनर्स. सो एग्जांपल्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनर्स, द, एन, अ. सी, these are articles also. This, my, your, a, little, little, some, any. This demonstrative, my possessive, your possessive, a little, adjective of quantity, little adjective of quantity, some adjective of number, any adjective of quantity or number, all, few, a few, less, fewer, each, every, etc. So these all are adjectives also, and these are determiners also, other than adjective of quality. Now classes of determiners. Classes means kinds. So articles, definite and indefinite. Indefinite क्या होता है? A and N. Definite is the. Demonstrative, quantifiers, possessive, distributive, interrogative. These all are determiners, and we'll discuss these determiners one by one. So first of all, if I talk about articles, so there are two kinds of articles, definite and indefinite. So A and the are the articles. The indefinite articles A or N signal that the reference is non-specific or general. बेटे the जो है वो एक definite चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं, A और N हम किसी common चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं, किसी general चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं. It is not specifying something. For example, a box of chocolates was eaten by Charles. मतलब वो कोई specific box नहीं था, that was a general box. The definite article the signals that the reference is specific. For example, the visitors are coming. The visitors are coming means जो visitors हैं वो specific हैं, वो कोई भी visitor नहीं है. And the is also used with plural sense also. In plural sense also. Okay. Now if I talk about demonstrative, so there are 4 words in demonstrative determiner, that is this, that, these, those. So these pairs of shoes are mine. I think that girl is their leader. So these is qualifying pairs here. That is determining girl here. Showing who or what is being referred to means pointing towards something or someone. Specifically किसी को point out करके बात करना, ठीक है? So that for that these, those, this and that is used, and these are demonstrative determiners. बेटे we are running short of time. It is already 9:39 and you have next class, so we